Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'll be showing you some useful commands that you can use in Minecraft. Okay, so the first one that is useful is, like, say you have like a diamond sword and you want to enchant it. So you just do /enchant @self and then choose your enchantment. Like, maybe I want fire aspect. Or no, aspect. And then maybe my level 3. Yeah, see, it says you've entered a too big number. It can't go past the like normal fire aspect level. So as you can see, fire aspect only goes up to level 2. And also, if you need to do this, you need to be holding out your item that you want to enchant. /enchant @self fire _ aspect level 2. And bam, it successfully enchanted this fire aspect. I will not know if you can do multiple enchants, but you can do one enchant of any choice. All you need is cheat on. So yes, this is a cheat. Okay, so say you're like it's nighttime, there are heaps of mobs around, and you're super scared, okay? And you want to change it to daytime. Or if you're in creative mode and you're just building and you don't like the night. So here's what you do. You open up your chat, and you can do /time set, and then day, and then enter. Or you can do /time, and then like see slash button. It's only going to be Minecraft Pocket Edition. So it's going to be slash button, and then it's going to give you time, and then it's time set. Say I want it to be midnight. I'll set it to midnight. I'll set time to 4200. It's very useful if you're like in survival mode and you have cheats on. You also need cheats on for this. It technically counts as a cheat, and there are very few commands you can do without cheats on, and none of these. Okay, so guys, next one is /TP. You might probably know it, and you might not. So I'm going to show you it. /TP is a command where you can teleport. There are different ways to do it, and like the last one I said, you can do /TP. You can type in where you want to TP. But I'm not going to do it. I'm going to do it the easier way. You might Pocket Edition this. /teleport. So who do you want to teleport? If you want to teleport to someone, you can type on them. But if you want to teleport them to you, click on your name. So I'm teleporting my brother to me, and I click enter, and here he is. And he was very, very far away from me. Okay? I'm probably going to be showing a video of that in a few seconds, but he was very far away from me. So let's move on to the next command. So the next command is /fill. Yep, it's something that you've probably heard of, but you've never been able to use. So what you need is coordinates. As you can see right here on my screen, I have my coordinates. To activate these, you need to go in your pause menu, settings, and right here, show coordinates. It should be like this. You need to click that, turn it on. And if you're a Java edition, you need to go /game, I think, rule. And then you need to go show coordinates. Yep, you need to go show coordinates. And you need to go true. And then that'll show your coordinates. Oh wait, no, you don't do that in Java Edition. You click on F3, and I'll show you coordinates. Do not need to do that, and I don't think you can do that, but if you click on F3, I'll show you coordinates. And now, let's see, what else can we do? So, for slash fill, you need to go slash fill. I'm just going to do the one that's here, because I cannot remember any coordinates. From here to here, and then from here, here, and then to here. And then you enter what you want to fill. There's all kinds of things. I'm going to choose a nice diamond block. Enter and boom, it fills wherever you type in your coordinates. So see, you type in first these coordinates, it'll fill from here, right where this is. And say type in these coordinates, it'll fill from there to there. And whatever one you want, okay? So it'll fill like in a box shape from here to there. The next command that we can use is weather. As you can see, it's super rainy. I need shelter. I'm gonna get cold outside. It's very cold. I'm gonna do some breakdancing. No wait, wrong one. I wanna do some breakdancing. Yep, all that cool stuff, but it's still very cold. So here's what you do. You can do /weather and then type in what you want to do. But of course, there's this easy way for Minecraft Pocket Edition. You click the slash button, your weather, and you need to go clear. And that'll magically make the rainy weather, go away. Yep, it'll take a while though. I'll just say changing to clear weather, and then it'll take a while, and then it'll change. And then you get your nice clear weather. Okay, so the next one for this is you /set world spawn. Okay, so say you're far away from your house and you do not want to die. So before you leave your house, here's what you have to do. You can do /set world spawn, or there's of course an easier way for Pocket Edition. You can just go in here and then do that, and boom, I'll set the world spawn to wherever you're standing. If you're standing in your house and you want to set the world spawn to there, you set world spawn. I'll set the world spawn point to there. So everyone will spawn in there. Even when they spawn in the world, I think. I don't know. But when they die, they'll definitely spawn right there. Hopefully, because in Minecraft Pocket, there's a glitch where that does not work. And now, I think that's all the useful commands there are for today. So bye-bye, guys. The next useful command is /effect. And this is the last command. So, yep. Now, the /effect command is useful for giving you potion effects. Like, I don't know, like strength or resistance. So here's what you do. If you want it forever, then you can, of course, use a command block by using /give at self command underscore block. And if you are a real pro, then you know how to use this, but of course I'll teach you in a later video, not this one, since we're looking at /effect. To do /effect, you need to do /effect, yep, and then you need to add self if you want yourself, add A if you want A, everyone, and then you need to choose it. So I want everyone invisible. Invisibility. Now, the second is max is 245, and amplify, so the level of effect is the max is 355. And if you want particles, then you type in after that false, or you can just leave it. But if you don't want particles, you type in true. You type in true, and then you hit enter, and there are no particles. See, I'm completely invisible. I'll teleport Sneaky Boy here, and he'll be completely invisible. See, he's just holding a fireball, wrecking a village. Well, that's it for today's video. Bye bye guys, and I hope I see you in the next video.